SmartArt turns your ordinary text into visually appealing graphics and helps draw attention to something important. To start, select your text. On the Home tab, select the Convert to SmartArt graphic icon. Choose any SmartArt graphic you like. You can also add pictures. Select Insert, SmartArt, Picture, and select an option, like Picture Grid. Select the picture icon. Now, insert your own picture, search online pictures, or use stock images if you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber. Let's choose a stock image. Now type something in the search bar. Select an image and click Insert. Or Insert Icons.